Alright, I'ma really need y'all to turn your speakers up right now. It's about to get ugly up in here. Yeah. Woo! In my West. Yeah, we in the building, baby. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of 365 Minutes in 2010 with Men. Today is day 41, and I was talking with some people earlier today, and we were kind of reading through some of the scriptures where it talks about how we should, present our bodies, to God, as a living sacrifice. And I really was taking those words to heart, because a lot of times we focus so much on a lot of other things and don't really take care of our bodies. And that's something that I'm realizing that I've got to do more. So I've changed my eating habits over the last few days, making a commitment to get back in the gym and work this thing out. Not just as a way for me to somehow enjoy the body that I'm living in, but also to make sure that I take care of it because I recognize that God gave it to me. So maybe we really need to, begin to view exercising and eating right as another act of worship. Sometimes we love to sing, holler, foam at the mouth, and run around the pews. But maybe the best way, or another way of worshiping God, by putting that piece of cake down and taking our butts to the gym. So, yeah, that's where I am, y'all. That's my 60 seconds today, y'all. Peace.